Let her go. You don't want to do this.
Stay back or I swear!
Not today.
Now you can generate unlimited videos with Seedance 2.0 without spending a single credit. You can even create bulk videos with just one click. The best part is that you don't need to write detailed or high-quality prompts. Claude will handle everything for you, and you can create long AI videos without any subscription. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to generate unlimited bulk videos using Claude AI, step by step, and you don't spend a single penny for limited time. So, make sure you pay close attention, and without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield AI is your all-in-one AI platform where you get all image and video tools in one place. And now, they've launched Higgsfield MCP, which allows you to generate 500 plus images and videos with a single click. Higgsfield MCP gives Claude AI the brain, the hands, and the distribution. Claude Cowork, Claude Code, and OpenClaw agents can now generate, edit, and publish creatives completely end-to-end. With just one prompt, the entire pipeline is automated. You can use Higgsfield MCP with all of these AI agents and their latest models. So today, I'm going to show you the power of Higgsfield MCP using Claude AI. The process is very simple. Just go to Settings, open Connectors, and add these details. So let me show you everything step by step. So first of all, open Claude AI. Then go to Settings and open Connectors. If you are on the free plan, you can still use Higgsfield MCP. You just need to remove any other connected MCPs because the free plan only allows one MCP connection at a time. Now click on Add Custom Connector and enter these details. You'll get all these details from Higgsfield MCP. After that, click Add and then click Connect. This will connect your Higgsfield account. If you don't already have a Higgsfield account, sign up using the link in the description. Now allow Claude to access your Higgsfield account, then click on Configure. As you can see, all the models have been added successfully, even on the free plan. So now, let's start generating content using Claude Agent. First, let's confirm whether Claude AI has access to Higgsfield MCP or not. So, I'm asking Claude, do you have access to Higgsfield MCP? And as you can see, it confirms that it has access and can generate images and videos directly from our conversation. As you can see, I'm also using Higgsfield on the free plan, and right now I've got more than 3,000 credits available. And the interesting part is, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these credits as well in just a bit. With these credits, I can actually unlock and use almost all the premium features inside Higgsfield without any limitation, which means you can create high-quality AI videos, cinematic shots, and advanced edits without paying anything upfront. And trust me, this is where things start getting really powerful. So, let's generate some videos. I'm going to describe my requirements to Claude AI, including the scenario, the number of videos I want, and the video model I want to use, Seedance 2.0. Each generation creates 5 video scenes at once. Once everything is ready, I simply click Run, and it starts analyzing my request. First, it generates a character sheet for my main character, which is used as a reference across every scene to maintain perfect character consistency. Next, it creates prompts for all 5 scenes and asks for my permission before generating the videos. Once I approve, it starts generating all 5 videos simultaneously. The best part is that you don't have to wait for one video to finish before starting another. You can generate as many videos as you want at the same time without any limitations. Within just a few minutes, all of the videos are generated, and here are the results.
Huh. Never seen her here before.
Please, don't hurt me.
Everybody back! Nobody move! Or she gets it!
Let her go. You don't want to do this.
Stay back or I swear!
Not today. Stay down.
Thank you. How did you... What are you?
Just someone who happened to be in the right place. You're safe now.
The results are amazing. Every scene matches perfectly, creating a cinematic short film with consistent characters and storytelling. The entire process is incredibly easy with Higgsfield MCP and Claude AI. All you have to do is describe your idea, and it generates high-quality videos for you. At the time of recording, Seedance 2.0 is available for unlimited video generation, so your credits won't be consumed when using this model. The pricing is also very reasonable, and you get access to many other AI models that support unlimited generation as well. If you'd like to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can also earn free credits through the official Higgsfield Twitter, X, handle. They often run promotions, giveaways, and credit drops for active users. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.